So, let's taste the new one na naging bakal ko. I guess this is it. Malamig na siya. Ito, si Mini Crunch. So, let's test it out. Let's test this one. Let's open. Damn, look at this one. Actually, lagi namin iban kung man kagiging nagtilaw si mama. So, fine. Ako wala pa. So, ASMR. Let's test this bad boys. Okay. Watch out. Pinagaling price is sorry, this price cost 168, but since we're outside of Manila, so mga 238 ako nagasto. Yan, freeze ko siya I mean defrost. Yeah. Para makita ang creaminess. So bye bye.